Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Craft Kits is probably one of the most exciting ways for girls aged 8 to 12 to dive into the world of creativity. These kits offer a fantastic opportunity to express themselves, enhance those fine motor skills, and experience the satisfaction of completing a project. From jewelry making to painting, these kits provide everything needed to spark imagination and create something truly unique. Get ready to explore a range of options that will keep them entertained for hours. Number 5. SUNGEMMERS Window Art Crafts for Kids. This DIY suncatcher kit lets kids create stunning stained glass effects. They apply gems to pre-printed designs, and the finished art catches sunlight beautifully. It's a fun and creative way to brighten any room. The kit includes multiple vibrant designs, like flowers and flamingos, with gemstone stickers. These stickers adhere easily to glass and mirrors. Plus, they're removable, so there's no mess or cleanup. Designed for ages 6 and up, this craft helps build fine motor skills and focus. It's perfect for solo projects or group activities, providing hours of screen-free entertainment. Kids will love making their own art. The materials are safe and non-toxic, making it a worry-free gift. Parents appreciate the easy cleanup, and children love the finished window art. It's a win-win for everyone. This STEM-friendly kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any time. It allows children to explore their artistic side while decorating their space. It's a unique and engaging gift idea. What we like. This kit lets kids create beautiful window art with easy-to-use gem stickers. It's mess-free and encourages creativity. If you are looking for a fun, engaging, and screen-free activity that brightens up any space, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to create beautiful crafts. The instructions are easy to follow, making it a great option for kids aged 8 to 12. The finished products look amazing and are a great way to decorate a room or give as gifts. Number 4. Keychains Diamond Art Painting Kits for Kids. This kit lets kids create their own sparkling keychains. It's a fun and engaging craft activity that's easy to learn and enjoy. Inside, you'll find everything needed to get started: unfinished keychains, a stylus, a tray, wax, and lots of colorful gems. This set has everything you need to create beautiful art. Following the same concept as paint by numbers, it's simple to follow. This activity saves time and effort, making it perfect for kids. Diamond art painting is a fun activity for kids. It's a great way to spend time together and create something special. This craft helps improve hand-eye coordination, encourages creative expression, and develops fine motor skills. It also builds self-confidence. Suitable for ages 3 and up, it's a great gift for young artists. It inspires creativity in preschoolers, elementary school kids, and teen girls. What we like. This kit offers a fun and easy way to create sparkling diamond art keychains. It's based on paint by numbers, making it simple for kids to follow. If you like a creative activity that enhances fine motor skills and provides a sense of accomplishment, this is perfect for you. What people say. She loved making them as gifts for friends and family. Very durable, great quality, and lots of fun. She was able to follow the instructions with a little help from her mother, really, maybe 10 minutes worth, and then worked on her keychain with excellent results. It looked just like the picture on the box. Everything she needed was in the box and her little hands were able to use the tool without a problem. The kit comes with several keychains, plenty of gems, and the putty used for the gems to be applicated. Number 3. JOYEZA Rock Painting Kit Deluxe. This kit is perfect for sparking creativity in kids of all ages. It's a fun way to create unique art and spread positive messages. Kids will love the fun of rock painting from the moment they open the box. It encourages creativity and artistic skill development, offering an engaging alternative to screens. Looking for a great gift? This kit is ideal for kids of all ages. It provides hours of fun with smooth stones, transfer sheets, and vibrant paints. This kit includes 12 rocks, brushes, paints, glitter glue, transfer sheets, googly eyes, gems, and more. It's packed with items to help kids develop their artistic skills. JOYEZA products come with a lifetime guarantee. If you have any issues, you're entitled to a full refund or a free replacement, no questions asked. What we like. With this rock painting kit, kids can unleash their creativity and spread positive messages. It includes a wide variety of supplies, offering great value. If you want a comprehensive art set that sparks imagination and provides hours of fun, consider this one. What people say. The variety of paints is fantastic, vibrant, easy to apply, and they dry quickly. The included brushes are perfect for both fine details and covering larger areas. The rocks themselves are smooth and just the right size for little hands. Number 2. Hapinest Clay Jewelry Dish Craft Kit for Girls. Unleash your creativity with this all-in-one clay art kit. It lets girls mix, match, and mold their designs into unique jewelry dishes. This is perfect for kids ages 8 and up. The kit includes everything needed to get started. It comes with non-toxic polymer clay in vibrant colors, artist brushes, gems, glitter, tools, and easy instructions. Everything is included. Designed for creative play, this kit offers a hands-on experience. Kids can bake their dishes at home with adult supervision. They will have lasting memories and beautiful results. This DIY clay craft kit is perfect for birthdays and holidays. It provides hours of fun and creative expression. It's a great gift for girls aged 8 to 12. For best results, make sure the clay is properly conditioned before use. Soften the clay by kneading to avoid consistency issues. This makes it easier to shape and mold. What we like. This kit allows girls to create unique jewelry dishes with colorful clay. It includes everything needed, making it easy to get started. If you have a creative kid who loves crafting and wants to make something they can use, this is a great choice. What people say. It's high quality and super easy to do. The colors are pretty and the finished product is cute. This works very well for a kid's craft, exactly as stated. It isn't extremely difficult for age 8 and up. She enjoyed creating the dishes themselves and is using them now for multiple small items. Number 1. Purple Ladybug Mosaic Photo Frame Craft Kit. This amazing kit from Purple Ladybug lets kids create their own mosaic photo frame. It's a fun and engaging activity that encourages creativity and hands-on learning. The kit includes everything needed: a wooden frame, mother-of-pearl shells, glue, and a spreader. It's designed for kids aged 6 and up, making it perfect for a variety of ages. The shimmering shells add a beautiful, multicolor shine to the frame. Each piece is unique, giving kids the freedom to design their own masterpiece. The kit uses child-friendly glue and a spreader stick for easy application. Cleanup is minimal, and all materials are non-toxic, making it safe for indoor use. This activity promotes fine motor skills and spatial awareness. It's a great introduction to art and design through fun play. It's a meaningful gift for birthdays or holidays. The finished frame holds a 4x6 photo and becomes a lasting keepsake of their creative effort. What we like. This kit lets kids create a beautiful mosaic photo frame using shimmering mother-of-pearl shells. It's a great STEM-integrated activity that encourages creativity and fine motor skills. If you are looking for a meaningful and lasting gift that combines art and learning, this is a great choice. What people say. The frame itself is sturdy and well-made, definitely great value for the price. Each shell is brightly colored in different sizes so she can create her own unique design. Plenty of mosaics in lots of colors, and the girls enjoyed the activity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.